Hello dear friends, how are you? Hope you are alright. So today I'm going to show you how to install Windows applications on Linux operating system. So I'm using Linux Deepin OS. So today I'm going to install mpchc. It's a window file. So you can see here it's a window file and it can't be open. And so the first thing is go to your menu or start whatever you have to shown on your operating system. So I'm using play on Linux for install Windows application on Linux. So click on play on Linux. So after the dialog box shown, you click simply install a program, and the next dialog box is open, and here is the accessories development, education, games, graphics, internet, multimedia, office, other patches. So if you install non-listed program, so then click on the install a non-listed program and then wait, and simply don't click on don't remind me anymore and click on the next and wait for the next dialog. Simply click next. So here's the two option. What would you like to do? The first thing is install a program in a new virtual drive, and the second is edit or update an existing application. So select the second one and click on simply next. So click on the show virtual drives, so select default and click on next. So what would you like to do before installation? If you don't know, unselect all. So I'm gonna click on configure Wine. So click on the simply next. So the next thing is what kind of virtual drive do you want to create? So if you install 32-bit Windows application, then select 32-bit, or if you have to install 64-bit, so select 64-bit. So I have 64-bit Windows application, so click on the 64-bit and simply click next. So after opening like this dialog box, and simply OK, and the next thing is please select the install file to run. So click on the browse, and my application is on desktop, so the next thing is mpchc. So select and then open and simply click next. So here's the select setup language, click OK, click next, next, install, and wait for the installation, and I'm gonna click on launch and click on finished. So dear friends, I'm successfully installed Windows Media Player on my Linux. So click on here and wait for the scanning the virtual drive, and please choose a file for playonlinux to make a shortcut. So I have already shortcut, so I don't want to make another shortcut, so simply click next and close the play on Linux dialog box. So dear friends, it is the simple and easiest way to install Windows application on Linux, and the other applications as available for the Windows application install on Linux like crossover, but I think the crossover is a paid version, so first we hope you like this video, so please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching, dear friends.